Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zapier to create tasks in Asana. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Zapier to create tasks in Asana, start by logging into your Zapier account. Once you're logged in, click on the Make a Zap button on your dashboard. In the Trigger section, select the app that will trigger the Zap. Follow the prompts to connect that app. Next, in the Action section, search for and select Asana. You will be prompted to connect your Asana account. Click on the Sign in to Asana button. A new window will appear asking you to log into your Asana account. Enter your Asana credentials and click Login. Once logged in, you'll be asked to grant Zapier permission to access your Asana account. Read the permissions carefully and click Authorize. After authorizing, you'll be redirected back to Zapier. Your Asana account should now be connected, and you can start setting up your task creation workflow. Define the specific Asana project where you want the tasks to be created. Fill in the required fields, such as task name, due date, and assignee. Once you've configured all the task details, click Continue. Zapier will prompt you to test the action to ensure everything is set up correctly. Run the test to verify that Zapier can create a task in Asana. Check your Asana project to confirm that the test task has been created successfully. If the test is successful, click on the Turn on Zap button to activate your workflow. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Zapier to create tasks in Asana. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.